The Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress Committee MPYCC held a meeting in Congress Bhavan, Tura. The meeting was chaired by Junibert C. Marak. Nur Sofiqul Wazid, National General of the India Youth Congress IYC, attended the meeting as a chief guest. Shri Timjan K. Momin of North Garo Hills District Youth Congress, Shri Roger Benny A. Sangma, MPCC Secretary, and Madam Josephine R. Marak, Mahila President, were also present during the program. Speaking at the meeting, he said that Mukul Sangma need only political power. If the Congress party comes back, he would likely rejoin the Congress party. After the meeting, Junebirth C. Marak, speaking to the media, said that Meghalaya Congress stands for the development in the state and their goal is to will work for the people of Garo Hills.
Also the part of this Congress party, and we are very much surprised that Mukul Sangma left our party. Why? It's not because of this political crisis. Don't think like that. It's his only power crisis. He was in power, so he needs power. Congress is not in our Congress is not in power, so he left Congress. Again, if Congress will come back, then you see Mukul Sangma again he will come to Congress party. Because this crisis is not a political agenda. It's only power crisis. He needs power. Only because of power, he is going to alliance with Bengal-based party. And a Bengal-based party, what is the grassroots and what is the public demand in your state? You think about this matter. We avoid the NRC issue. But in Bengal-based party, if come to power in your state, then what is the guarantee that the Mukul Sangma can take a stand against NRC? What will be the crisis come to your state? We should think. The Congress is blood, Congress is in our blood, our DNA is Congress. Really, he said that we should not go for the only our political activities and benefits. We just salute our flag. Just not to salute our flag, we should give value for the flag.